Hello and welcome back to this one video. Today we're going to talk about how to create Snapchat shortcut on your iPhone and Android phone. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just open up here Snapchat on your device and then take snap and then tap here on send to, and from here tap here on send to again, and now from here tap on create shortcut, and now select the person from here you want to send your snaps, so add them in your shortcut here. So I have selected these. For example, you can select up to 200 and then tap here on create shortcut, and here is the important notification, choose an emoji. So what you have to do is just tap here on OK, and here is the choose an emoji, so tap on this, and then from here you have to choose an emoji. You can choose according to your desire, and then tap here on create shortcut, and as you can see shortcut has been created. So you can send your snap to people that you have added in your shortcut. If you want to send all of them, then tap here on this icon, that is shortcut, and here is the person, so tap here on select, and all of these are selected, so you can remove from here as well, and if you want, but I want to send all of these. So after selecting all of these, tap here on this icon and your snaps will be sent all of these people. So that's the method you can send your snaps to the multiple persons in one click. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like or subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.